Chi Wen Liang, Director of Client Services. I work with an exceptional team providing client service to all of our brokerage clients. I've worked in the industry for over 20 years. I've never been in a company that has grown so much. I'm surrounded by exceptionally talented people who are super enthusiastic. There's an amazing culture here. We are the face of the organization. When clients are building their future and they have a question, it's my team that they reach out to, and we're happy to support them. We work as a team collaboratively with partners to resolve whatever issues come up. Everyone is aligned with our mission to help Canadians become more financially successful and making sure that they get the information that they need, they get it in a timely manner. It's hugely rewarding. That one call, chat, or email, that one client that you help makes a profound difference. We want to make sure we give a wow experience to the client. We have a lot of fun. We have a social committee called Ministry of Fun. They take their job very seriously. We have like smoothie days and breakfast in the office and just activities to help connect the team. To deliver the best client experience, it starts with the employee experience. Client services is a great place to start for anyone looking to build their career. We have developed a rigorous 6-week training, 4 weeks in classroom, interactive, and another 2 weeks to help on board. If you're passionate about helping people and you want to learn, this is the right place to start. In fact, we have a former CSS member in almost every single department within Questrade. Questrade is a big proponent of hiring from within. We are big on learning and development, where there's hundreds of courses available to take. We also offer shadowing opportunities, tuition assistance. I'm a big proponent of recognition programs. We recognize agents for their exceptional quality. I'm really excited for what the future holds. We're focused on what other processes can we improve? How can we elevate the client experience and employee experience further? I'm so happy and privileged to be working with a team that's so passionate about helping others. We're always looking for talented individuals to join our team. So come, grow with us.